Obviously not anymore. They don't think about it like that anymore. Right.
Okay.
All right. Let me,
Call up Sabri's courtroom and let us know when you got something right.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around or smoking of any kind, and please be properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Martez Goodwin. Oh, he's still trying to connect. All right, as soon as we get a court reporter, we'll get, well, we need an interpreter as well. We'll get this show on the road then.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Rainey.
Now that case was, did he do the 12 hours of community service?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
And when did he complete those?
He completed them on April 27th.
And you have, you spoke with the Southwest Detroit Community Court, Community Justice Center about that? Or you provided that information to them, or did he go through the Southwest Detroit?
I'm sorry. They gave him honestly a very bad copy of the hours. I could not communicate with them to get it, but I have emailed the copy that I have to the court. I tried to communicate with the court earlier and last week, and I couldn't.
I want that to get over to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay.
Well, and what day did you say he completed those?
April 27th.
April 27th. So let's see. Good morning, Ms. Williams Law.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Did he go through the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center to complete those hours?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please give them a call right now at 313-879-2155.
Okay.
And submit that documentation to them, let them know. I want them to have record of that, and then we'll call the case.
Okay. So I will mute myself and do that, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Your Honor, Judge Supreme Courtroom, excuse me. They said they'll hide me, they ready.
All right.
I also called the judge. She said if they didn't have it back that morning, they did sign the flag.
Good morning at 412-1119. Who might that be?
Martez Goodwin.
Oh, Mr. Goodwin, you
Yes,
got okay. All right.
Yes, I'm on the phone.
Was it
I got you.
today?
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus
Do you have access to
Martez. Are you Tyrone Goodwin?
Yes, sir. I'm Tyrone Goodwin, sir.
Martez Tyrone Goodwin, case number U628000522 and U58384820. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, and good morning to your staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Goodwin.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Goodwin.
Martez Tyrone Goodwin.
Let me get Martez Tyrone Goodwin's file, please.
635.
It seems like a pattern for him. Counselor, he's got allegations of disorderly conduct, allegations of alcohol-related violations. Do you need some treatment, sir?
Your Honor, I'm going to say this on my behalf. I have turned my life around 100%. I went to Share House. I completed at Share House on April 14th. Permanently right now, I have my own place. I got a part-time job working at Share House. I definitely apologize for everything I've done. I'm changing my life for the better, and I'm trying to become a better member to society.
All right. And all that being said, I asked you a question. Do you need some treatment, sir?
No, sir. I just got out of treatment. I just got done completing April 14th, 2022 at Share House.
All right. Congratulations on that.
Yes, sir.
So April 14th, 2022, when did you start Share House?
I went in, I came in on March the 19th, 2022, and I successfully completed on April 14th, 2022. April 14th, 2022.
Good morning, Officer Mitchell.
Good morning.
So let me know if you need any files, okay?
I need Martez.
You do?
No, I'm ready.
All right, Miss Harris, for U58384820, I don't have, all I have is an ROA. And it's probably, I don't know where the other ticket is, if it exists. What do you want to do?
Your Honor, can I ask does it indicate who the issuing officer is?
Andrew Martinez.
I'm probably going to talk to Mr. Goodwin about setting this matter for trial, and at the same time, asking that he would provide his paperwork to the court. Don't say anything, Mr. Goodwin. We can discuss it.
Paperwork as far as Share House?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have that.
He's in the room.
Okay, I'm going there now. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Or Your Honor, what is the actual, oh, you just have an ROA. So it just says alcohol related.
Alcohol-related violations for both charges.
Okay.
One is 1/6/2022, the allegation was made, and the other is 12/1/2020.
Okay, thank you.
That area,
All right.
929. 426. 2866. Any one of this one? There's Perkins courtroom. Hold on. There's Perkins courtroom. You said refer to background. The interpreter is going to be Roberta Negron for the Spanish interpreter. Okay, the telephone number is 436-2866. That's the telephone number. So since you was having trouble connecting, there's another option with the phone in. You won't have audio, you won't have video, but But you will have audio. Judge will be able to hear you. You will be able to hear the judge. And so once you dial that telephone number, it's going to.
All right, Officer Mitchell, I'm gonna get, Mr. Goss in the breakout room for you.
The meeting ID.
Yes, sir.
434. 0, 0, 0, 0. So when you dial in, don't start talking. Just listen first. Don't be like, can you hear? The judge knows you're in the zone, so just zoom in and go into it. Okay? All right.
Your Honor, can you put Officer Mitchell in the breakout room?
He's already in there. Good morning. Oh, he already said. Officer Mitchell, can you rejoin that room, please? Okay, I'm back on the record with Mr. Martez Goodwin. I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. He is waiving his right to jury trial.
All right, there's the trial date of August the 2nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. You have that, sir?
Yes, you said August the 2nd.
August the 2nd, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir, I got it. 9 a.m. I have you, sir.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, who's on the line at 248-636-3587?
Dejuan Gavin.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Miss Mathis, did you receive my email from yesterday?
No, I didn't. Let me check it.
Dejuan Gaddis,
Gavin, Gavin, V as in Victor.
Gavin.
Yes, Gavin.
And Desha, is it AWN or UWN?
AUN.
AUN, all right. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Deshaun Stephen Gavin, case number SP 122-76712. Today, we'll call it a review. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Deshaun Stephen Gavin.
All right, you pled to this on 2/17/2022. It's what, 3 months later, more than 3 months later, it hasn't been paid. What's going on?
Something had came up. I just had a couple. I had 2 kids, and it's been hard right now. It's just hard right now for me.
Are you working?
I just started my company, a trucking company, and like all of that's going on right now, so it's like kind of tough. But I do have an income now.
You started a trucking company and don't have any money? I can't believe that.
that's what I used the money for. I just had 2 kids, a 9-month and a 3-month, and so I trying to get my life together. So I started my business. But I do have an income now. I can't pay.
If you started a trucking company, I know you got a whole lot of money. Or gonna have a whole lot.
Do you know how
of money.
much the gas rate is right now?
That
It's
doesn't
hard
matter.
right
My
now.
buddy owns a trucking company and he's making ridiculous amounts of money.
I'm trying to get there. The beginning is hard. I ain't know it's gonna be this hard.
I'll agree with you on that. So I won't be so hard on you today. How much more time do you need, sir?
Maybe a month, 2 months at the most.
I'm gonna give you 2 months and that's it. I'm just gonna, you don't even have to come back. If it's not paid, then that's
It will be.
That's gonna be, well, something, if it's not paid, I don't want you to lose your license, but I want this taken care of.
It
Start
will
making
be.
this a priority. Because this is your livelihood right here. This is your livelihood.
Yeah, I know. That's what this is my main priority now. I just had to get my business up and running so I can get settled.
All right, July 25th, 2022, review at 8:25. Leggett. All right, have a great day,
Okay.
sir.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Isaiah Leggett. No. Okay, good morning, Mr. Interpreter.
Good morning.
Can you state your name, sir?
Roberto Negron.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not in false confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from Spanish to English and English to Spanish?
I do.
All right, very well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Daniel,
Yes, Your Honor.
have you talked to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Unfortunately, no. I tried, but they seem to be closed until 9 a.m. So I left a voicemail and sent an email, but I don't expect to hear back from them until that time.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Manuel Aries, case number 217-326-051. Appearance for the record, please.
This is Maria Daniel on behalf of Juan Arias.
Se acaba de llamar, esta es la ciudad de Detroit en contra del señor Juan Manuel Arias. El caso 2173-26051. Por favor, digan sus nombres para que conste en acta. Tenemos a María Daniel representando a Juan Manuel Arias.
The number, Miss Daniel, please.
78531.
Thank you.
Señora Daniels, ¿no puede decir su nombre para que conste en acta? 78531.
Okay, and state your name for the record, Mr. Arias.
¿No puede decir su nombre para que conste en acta, señor Arias?
State your name for the record, please, Mr. Aries.
Señor Arias, ¿puede decir su nombre para que conste en acta?
He seems to be speaking, Your Honor, but we can't hear him. I don't know what's going on with his microphone.
Él está hablando, pero no se puede escuchar. No sabemos si tiene un problema con el micrófono.
Okay, Mr. Arias, he has his microphone on. I don't know if it's his device, something's going on with his device, but he's connected to audio.
No sabemos si hay un problema con su dispositivo electrónico, porque el teléfono está conectado, pero no se puede escuchar lo que estás diciendo.
Ay. ¿Me escucha?
State your name for the record, sir.
Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en acta.
Juan Manuel Arias.
Juan Manuel Arias.
So I see that I ordered your client to do 12 hours of community service, but there was no, I don't have a plea in here. It does say as amended. Did you have an opportunity to did your client have an opportunity to set a trial for this, to see if he can do any better than what he's going to get?
Veo que tiene 12 horas de servicio, servicio comunitario.
Aquí tengo más de 12 horas, son 17 horas.
I already have more than 12 hours or 17 hours.
You can finish what I said to the counselor.
Tiene 12 horas de servicio comunitario. No veo que, que se haya llegado a un arreglo en este caso. ¿Usted quiere que hable con su cliente a ver si quieren ir a juicio de arreglar eso o le pueden dar una mejor oferta?
Your Honor, we did have, he did plead, let me check my notes on when is it that we did have this hearing back in April.
Señoría, él sí se declaró. Estoy viendo a ver cuándo fue que pasó esa vista. Yo creo que fue en abril.
April 13th.
El día 13 de abril.
Was that a trial or was that, did he just plead on?
No, he pled on, I'm sorry, Your Honor, didn't mean to interrupt you. He pled on the reduced charge. He did not want to go to trial.
Eso fue un juicio, solamente se declaró. No, su señoría, perdona la interrupción, pero él sí se declaró en ese caso, él no quiso ir a juicio.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your representation that hours have been done. I still want you to get those hours over to the Southwestern Detroit Community Justice Center when they open up, so they can have record of Mr. Arias' completion of those hours. I'm going to thank your client for going over and above. You indicated to the court that he did, instead of 12, he did 17 hours, and I'm going to thank him for that. And I'm going to wish you and your client the best of good day and the best of luck.
Bueno, cuando se viene esto, voy a tomar su palabra cuando se viene a su representación de su cliente. Lo antes posibles, tiene que entregar esos documentos al Centro de Comunidad de Juicios de Detroit lo antes posible. Les quiero agradecer a usted por todo lo que ha hecho con este caso y voy a tomar en buena fe que él sí cumplió esas horas debidas, que hizo 17 horas por encima, más de los 12 que le estaban pidiendo. Le hizo 12 en vez de 17 en vez de 12 y le agradezco por todo el trabajo que él hizo para este caso.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias, su señoría. Thank you. Your Honor, we're good to hang up.
Have a great day. We appreciate
Thank you.
your service.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor. El señor Arias ya puede colgar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Leave.
Oh, he's in the breakout. No, I'm talking about what's the name? Just look for Gainer. It's the third one up. Oh, I mean, third from the bottom. All right, good morning, Mr. Littlejohn. You were supposed to be here yesterday.
I didn't know. I thought I had got the dates mixed up.
You didn't write it down?
No.
Who's on the phone at 313-758-1291?
Tanisha Gardner.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let me pull them out the room. Thank you.
Wait, I can't hear you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kanisha Marie Gardner, case number U59693021. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, on behalf of the people, P60162.
And good morning, Your Honor. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Tanisha Gardner.
Also, Dana, can you state your name, badge number, precinct, and department?
Yep, Officer Stephen Gaynor. I'm with Detroit Police Department, 10th Precinct.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, at this time, the city is moving to dismiss this matter.
All right, Ms. Harris.
No objection.
Stipulation of probable cause.
Can we get a stipulation of probable cause, Counselor?
I'll stipulate it.
All right, the matter is going to be dismissed. Ms. Gardner, I'm sorry. Mr. Gaynor, Officer Gaynor, I appreciate you being here, and be safe out there. To everybody, have a very good day. Good luck to you, Ms. Gardner.
Wait, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
It's dismissed.
So what's going? I need to understand what's going on right now.
Can we have a breakout room, please, and thank you?
Yes, Mr. Goss was very low. I'm sure it was hard to hear.
It's dismissed, ma'am. There's no, the case is over. You don't have to worry about anything. Have a good day.
So I don't have to pay no ticket or anything like that?
You want to pay?
No, I don't. I'm saying I didn't think it was gonna be this short. That's why I was like, what's going on?
Ma'am, it was dismissed. So don't prolong it. It was dismissed.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
Good luck.
Yeah. Yeah, you too.
Thank you, Officer Gaynor.
Yep, you have a good day, Your Honor.
Be safe out there.
Appreciate it, sir.
All right. Who's the officer on, Officer Mitchell, who are you here on?
Your Honor, I'm here on Isaiah Leggett.
Okay, Isaiah Leggett, okay. All right, let's call, this is the city of Detroit versus Juan, Littlejohn, case number U169921114, SP 1167278. SP 1233646, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 6909431, SP 1167278, SP 690943, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 6909442, SP 6909451, 162986271, 17-3677421. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Littlejohn. Mr. Littlejohn, please state your name for the record.
Dejuan Littlejohn.
I'm just going to really call it like I see it, as I try and always do. It's no surprise that Mr. Littlejohn has all these cases and owes the court all of this money because he was supposed to be here yesterday and didn't show up. He did call after court was over with. I at least give him that credit. But I don't know when you're going to start being more responsible, sir. How old are you?
30.
30 years old. Ms. Harris, yesterday was a date and time set for a trial in these matters, and Mr. Littlejohn did not show up.
Did the officers appear, Your Honor?
One of them appeared, I believe, Zach. So he had an opportunity to get these cases dismissed, except for Zach's case. And maybe he would have dismissed it too. I don't know what he was going to say or what this position was going to be. But he didn't, Mr. Littlejohn didn't appear.
Did the officers contact the court? I understand that Mr. Littlejohn contacted the court after his time, that was his appointed time, but did those officers make that same contact with the court?
Well, I'll tell you this, I see where you're going with that, counselor, and it's just not going to work today for Mr. Littlejohn. You know, it becomes an issue really of, I doubt if when we set the other next trial date, I doubt if they didn't show up then, yesterday, they're probably not going to show up now because a lot of these cases are old. But you know what I see here, Mr. Littlejohn owes $144, $105, $195, $402, $290, $100, $210, $130, $45, $45, $45, $45. I can just go on and on and on. And we could have added, we could have put all of this stuff in warrant status. I could have put a bond on him yesterday, and then he would have owed $50 more on every single solitary case. And I asked him, did he write the information down? He said no. It's something as important as this, he doesn't even write it down.
I remember I got another court date, June the 23rd. It was on the same, I had the months mixed up.
But if you would have wrote it down, you would have been here on time. If that was your excuse for not being here. So my question to you, my question to you is, it's not about an apology at this point. My question to you is, when are you gonna get it together?
I'm trying to. Last time I talked to you, you said all the tickets looked like it was just, you know what I'm saying? Profile.
What I'm saying is, you gotta take the steps to come in and show yourself and get those tickets dismissed. You gotta make it a priority to yourself. And you got a trial date set. You got 93 days on each one of these tickets sitting over your head. You got to make it a priority to do what you have to do. I'm sitting here trying to help people get a driver's license and stuff, and you don't show up. This is not our first conversation, Mr. Littlejohn. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the attorney. I don't know if he wants an offer or if he wants, let's get Dejuan Littlejohn's file, please. Or if he wants to set another trial date, talk to the lawyer and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, I got it on. He talking to somebody else.
Gamble, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Mr. Copeland, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Dinan, the clock is ticking for your client.
Very good, Your Honor.
Copeland, okay, trial.
Say Copeland?
Copeland, and you said for trial. I got I got a Samuel Copeland and a Kenneth Samuel.
No, this Ernest Landers.
Okay, that helps.
Say something, see?
He already got me right here.
But he asked you if you there.
Oh, yeah. I checked out it.
No. She's getting you together, Mr. Copeland. I remember she getting you together.
Oh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I would venture to say that Officer Bennett is gonna show up. But
Oh, no.
we'll see what happens. All right, Mr. Landers, good morning.
Yes,
to you.
sir. How you doing, sir?
All right, very well. Do you have a driver's license, insurance, and registration?
Yes, sir.
Let's see those documents. Let's run his driver's license, please. Ernest Landers. All right, we're back on the record with
Okay, my
Mr.
wife.
Juan Littlejohn. Mr. Littlejohn, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room regarding matters. And Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that the matters be reset for trial. Mr. Littlejohn has assured that he is going to take note of that new trial date and he will be here and ready to proceed.
All right. Let's try it again, Mr. Littlejohn. I'm not gonna hear any more excuses, all right? Next time it's gonna be a cash bond put on you if you don't show up. All these cases are gonna go under warrant status. And that's just how we're gonna do it. The trial date is gonna be August the 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m.
August the 1st.
And I don't see him right. I don't see him pen in his hand at all.
I'm writing down in the phone.
I was gonna say, we discussed that, Your Honor. So he told me he was going to write that down and take note of it.
At 9 p.m. I'm writing down the phone.
No, it's not at 9 p.m.
What-
I promise you it's not 9 p.m.
I mean 9 a.m. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm writing it down as I talk.
All right.
I apologize.
What date is that, Mr. Littlejohn?
August 1st.
Mr. Littlejohn, I don't need your apology. I need your appearance.
Okay, I'll be here. I'll be there.
Let's put some action, all right? Let's put some action to things. Let's start getting responsible about things. You're 30 years old. All right, I'll see you on August the 1st, God willing, at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right, thank you. Now you can go cuss me out, all right? Mr. Phillips, what's going on, sir?
I'm good, Your Honor. How you doing?
I just had Juan Aries in here, and I just wanted to make sure that the counselor, Miss Daniel, reported to you and give you proof of documentation that he completed his hours.
Mr. Daniels?
Miss Daniels is the lawyer. Miss Daniel is the lawyer, and I wanted her to contact you and submit proof that he completed his hours.
Well, I haven't had a chance to talk to Miss Daniels yet.
All right, she called and she left a message with you this morning. I thought that's why you zoomed in.
No, I'm here for Mr. Juan Manuel Aries. He's supposed to be.
That's who we're talking about. Yeah, that's
Okay,
who we're
well,
talking
yes.
about.
Oh, yeah.
Did he do the hours?
Yes, he did. He's got 17 and a quarter hours. He was
All right,
supposed
I
to do
just
12.
wanted to make sure you all had that information and it had it documented. So that's all we need today.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Thank you, and see you then.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right. All right. Ms. Gamble, we're waiting on the clock to tick on yours. We're waiting on a state trooper to come in, I believe. Mr. Copeland, we're waiting on Mr. Bennett to come in. They got 19 minutes. If they don't check in by 9:30, then we're gonna call the cases. And Mrs. Jacoboni, we're gonna wait on them as well. So we're with now Mr. Ernest Landers, and I do have documentation that he has a valid driver's license. Let's call the cases. The City of Detroit versus Ernest Landers, case number SP 123795523, SP 123797711, SP 1237952, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ernest Landers. Please state your name for the record.
Ernest Landers.
All right, indicating, take your hat off, please, sir. And we indicated last time, you said you were gonna get a valid driver's license. I have proof that you got the valid driver's license. Congratulations to you. I also said that I need to get, bring documents in for the vehicle that you're driving. I need valid registration and insurance. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
please show the court that?
Is the proof of registration is for the vehicle. Is the insurance.
You're gonna have to hold it up so I can get a better look at it.
Okay, here's the insurance for 6 months. Is the vehicle title. And here's the vehicle title. It's the vehicle title. And the registration to the vehicle.
All right. I'm gonna dismiss all the cases for providing valid documentation, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, sir, it's up to you. And have a great day.
You too, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got Copeland. You got Leggett. I need Jacoboni file. I need Gamble file. Officer Mitchell, who are you here on again? Leggett?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're gonna give her an opportunity. I give the defendants a little bit more time than I do the officers, because I understand that not everybody is as situated as others and probably don't have access to devices and things like that. I know the Detroit Police has all the necessary tools to zoom in on time. So I'm gonna give her, you can just check back with us in about a half hour. I'm gonna give her till at least 10 o'clock, all right?
Yes, sir. I'll zoom back in at 10.
Very
Thank you, Your
well.
Honor.
Goodbye. Be safe too.
Thank you.
Okay. Anything ready down there? Is it called something ready?
Yeah, they did.
He's doing screen sharing.
Oh.
Hey, Serena, this is Jamira. The judge wants to know, is there anything ready yet? Mr. Foster, I have the Perkins staff. Is there anything ready, or are you ready for the Perkins?
How you doing, Ms. Copeland?
All right, sir.
I wasn't talking to you, Mr. Copeland. I'm talking to the listener.
Oh.
How you doing, sir? How are you?
Very well.
You have a great morning?
Very well. How about yourself?
Great, thank you.
It's good. I want to say every day is a good day that we wake up on this side of the earth.
Absolutely, amen. Yes, Lord.
Well, let us know when you all set with the time.
Some can be rougher than others, but
They only got 5 people. And they got 3 ready. I told them they gotta be my situation. Do you want me to do anything to it?
no, it's cold now already.
Okay. And don't forget a chance to take a look at that envelope that Ms. Grayson, that's about the Landers matter.
What happened to the napkin?
There is a summer literally in the hallway. Did you want her in?
Yeah,
person?
let's talk.
Okay. I'm just gonna have to give Officer Peters.
Very good. There he is. There he goes. All right, I'm gonna give Mr. Copeland, once we get a some sort of, I'm gonna give them a city attorney and the officer an opportunity to speak about the case. Once they get some sort of resolution that they think is appropriate, then I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with your counsel. And I'm gonna give your counsel to an opportunity to do whatever advocacy that she feels necessary or you guys feel necessary in order to resolve the case. So good morning to you, Corporal Bennett. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goss. And you can speak to Mr. Goss. This is regarding Samuel Copeland. And again, Mr. Copeland, I'm going to give you an ample opportunity after you hear some sort of whatever resolution, if necessary. I don't know what the outcome will be. Then I'll give you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Harris. And if there's not a resolution, then we'll prepare for a bench trial if that's what you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
John. Good morning. I have a young lady this summer.
Yes, summer.
Yeah, she's out there. People's is next door. She's got something going on in there too. I'm the only one in the hallway. I don't know if I mentioned to you, Your Honor, but they don't want any defendants in here unless an officer's in here.
That's fine. Are you able to stay or no?
No, because I'm the only one in the hallway.
Okay, very well.
So
We'll
as
just
soon as
wait.
I get something freed up, can she come in?
Certainly.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. One of our officers just went up to the 5th floor. As soon as he comes back.
What's some people's doing over there? He's our office.
I have no idea, Your Honor.
Well, tell him to come over. You know, that's what, he's our office. What's up with that? Judge Baltimore trying to pull rank on me. I know he was the chief judge.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay, I just spoke to Corporal Bennett. Yeah, he's back in. And the issue is that he pulled up the ticket. The ticket was issued by Officer Lorenzo Jones.
Awesome. We're ready.
I don't know why they tell me that.
Your Honor, it's the court. It's the court issue. You know, the court put the wrong officer down.
No. I'm not, that's not me. Officer has a chance to get in here a couple minutes, or officer has the opportunity to rewrite the ticket.
I'm saying the officer wasn't subpoenaed because the court has the wrong officer down as the officer who wrote the ticket.
I don't have any actual ticket anyway. And the day is the date and time set for a trial. So. And it's a state matter, and I don't have a state attorney.
Okay.
So.
Well, I want to duck on out of there then, since it's a state matter.
This is the city of Detroit versus Samuel Julius Copeland. Case number SP 121-63211. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Copeland. Mr. Copeland, please state your name for the record.
Samuel Copeland. Samuel Julius Copeland.
Mr. Goss.
I am licensed. I think you're supposed to be doing court. What room?
Yeah, 434.
Mr. Goss, it's too late, Mr. Bennett, Corporal Bennett, because here's the problem and this is exactly why I don't proceed on a ROA. I have here sitting here an ROA, and it says Samuel Julius Copeland, failed to secure a loan to body or frame, or, and gives all the information. And I have an officer, Daryl Bennett, as the arresting officer. Now, we're here, and Corporal Bennett says that this is someone else's ticket. I don't know that. All I know is that Corporal Bennett is on this ROA, so they say the court. And where's Mr. Goss?
That's something, isn't it? Mhm.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, put your name on the record, please. Put your appearance on the record, please.
Dante Goss on behalf of the city of Detroit.
So off the record, we had a discussion about this case, Samuel Julius Copeland, and you indicated that Mr. Corporal Bennett is not the arresting officer. You indicated, who was the name that you gave that was the arresting officer?
Officer Jones, Lorenzo Jones.
Okay, so we're gonna, Officer Jones is not here. I think Corporal Bennett tried to call Officer Jones to get him to zoom in. But here's the problem. You indicated that the court was the one that made the mistake. And when I hear the court, I'm hearing this court, room 434, and this bench.
No, Your Honor.
Made a mistake in either the clerk or whatever entered in the wrong name or subpoenaed the wrong person. And this is just how I'm taking it. And I understand what you're saying. You may be talking about the courthouse and the
36th district. Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Well, nevertheless, again, I've been here almost a year. Well, actually, I've been here a year to today.
Congratulations.
May 24th, I made it 1 year. They haven't put me out yet. But I've had over, I would say, at least 50 or more issues with ROAs. And I don't know how Corporal Bennett, first of all, knows that Officer Jones was the person that wrote the ticket. Can you explain that to us, Corporal Bennett?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, when I pulled up the ticket number in the system, it pulled up his name. So the ticket is actually up under his name, not mine. His badge is 4232. My badge is 4320.
Okay, so that's how that's known. All right, so
yes, sir.
I just wanted to did you put your, since it's not your ticket, then I don't need you to put your appearance on the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Harris, can you go ahead on Mr. Copeland's behalf?
Well, Your Honor, based on all of the discussions that we've had now on the record and off the record, defense is moving to dismiss. It appears there is no complaining witness. Furthermore, there is no prosecutor to proceed on this matter, as I believe this is a Wayne County matter, and there is no Wayne County prosecutor present. So for failure of a complaining witness and the party to appear, we would move for dismissal, Your Honor.
And for the fact that there's only an ROA in the file, this court does not proceed on ROAs because of all of those issues. This is the first time I've come encounter with this particular issue where somebody, I don't know what happened or how it happened or who did it, but for somehow I have Officer Bennett on this ROA, and Officer Bennett, Corporal Bennett, says that he's not the issuing officer. He has a database apparently that he can look up and see where the ticket was issued, and he has provided that. Go ahead, put your appearance on the record, Corporal Bennett.
Yes, Your Honor, Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
And I will allow you to put your appearance on the record because you were summoned in this ticket, so in this case. So for all of those reasons, I'm going to dismiss the matter. And Mr. Copeland, you got anything to say, sir?
No, sir. Say thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, Mr. and Ms. Copeland, it's great to see you again. I hope I don't see you in this capacity again, but
I hope not either. No, you won't see him in that again.
I like her, Your Honor. I like her.
Hey, that's my help.
That's what I wanted to hear there. All right, I want both of you to have a very good day, and I'll probably see you at the grocery store or something like that.
All right. Have a blessing.
All right.
Thank you, Ms. Copeland.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Have a good day, Your Honor. Happy anniversary.
Be safe out there, Corporal Bennett.
Thank you, sir. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Bye.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Sophia Marie Jacoboni, case numbers SX 3920670, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
On mute.
Counsel, you were muted.
I apologize, Your Honor. Good morning, Timothy Dinan, P49499, appearing on behalf of Ms. Jacoboni, who's also present, Your Honor, and we consent to having this hearing today on Zoom.
Okay, good morning to you, Counselor, again. Good morning, Ms. Jacoboni. Excuse me for thinking that I didn't think you were in the same asylum. Just with the complete white background, I didn't know what to think. I just didn't think it was that good. But I'm glad to know that it's especially not that. And so let me apologize for making those assumptions, right? So, Mr. Dinan.
Your Honor, I just so the court understands, this is a state of Michigan case. I do not see State Trooper Morningstar having signed in. I would move to have the case dismissed.
Okay. With that being said, I don't hear Trooper Morningstar. No Trooper Morningstar. With that being said, I'm going to grant your motion. The case is going to be dismissed, and you dodged a little bit of a bullet here thanks to your lawyer, Ms. Jacoboni. So next time, I don't know whether the allegations are true or not, but you gotta watch yourself, ma'am.
Will do.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You got a very, very, very good lawyer there.
Very kind, Your Honor. Very kind of Selfman.
All right. All right.
Judge, you have a great weekend and a great holiday, and I wish you all the best in your continuing tenure on the bench.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Have a great day, sir.
All right, there we go with Miss Marietta Gamble. This is the
Your Honor-
city of, yes.
Before you call that one, is Ms. Gamble represented by counsel?
I believe she is.
Yes.
And while I think I know who it is, and I don't believe they would have an issue with me standing in, but I just will want to confirm that before I did.
Who's your counsel, Ms. Gamble? Ms. Gamble,
Yes, sir.
who's your counsel?
I forgot his last name. I'm sorry. But we were just communicating 30 minutes ago.
What's his first name?
To be honest, I couldn't tell you.
Adam Clemens.
Is that on the thing?
Yeah, there we go, Adam. There we go. I'm sorry. It was on the tip of my tongue. I had.
Yeah, okay.
This is the city of Detroit. This is Marietta Gamble, case number SX3970350, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, good morning and may it please the court. My name is Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of Ms. Gamble. Ma'am, will you state your name for the record, please?
Marietta Gamble.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I have Officer Michael Kane. I've given the officer ample time to sign in, and I give him a half-hour grace period. Trial was supposed to begin at 9 a.m. It is now 9:43. Counselor, you want to make a motion?
Yes, in light of that, Judge, with today being the date and time set for trial, of course, this would be a dismissal request without prejudice. I'm asking the court to grant my request to dismiss this matter, being the officer is not present.
All right, your motion is granted. Case is going to be dismissed, no officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Gamble, have a great day. Case is going to be dismissed.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. We'll wait on Leggett. And then Officer Williams, if he is not there, I mean, if he comes in and she doesn't sign in, we'll put that on the record. And we will everybody go downstairs right now. Let me go down and see what's going on downstairs, and I'll be back. So court is in recess briefly. Yes, ma'am.
Working at 10:30. Wow. Our conversation was me that little.
I say briefly, probably. Like,
Oh, let's get Lumley. All right, let's get Lumley. All right. All right, this is the, Ms. Harris, let's do Lumley. This is the city of Detroit versus Summer Makia Lumley, case number Z8083621. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, who I believe is present in the courtroom.
Yes. Go ahead, state your name, Ms. Lumley.
Summer Makia Lumley.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Harris, this is a matter that was held over from yesterday. Ms. Lumley, she just didn't do what she was supposed to do correctly. Let's give her the benefit of the doubt. She says she was supposed to test. This is a OWI case, and she was supposed to test, didn't test, and offered some excuses as to why she didn't test. So I told her, get in here this morning, start testing one time per week on a regular, and offer no excuses, no frequenting bars or nightclubs, no drinking during the pendency of this case. So I think we're on, I think Ms. Lumley understands I'm not going to accept any more excuses. All right. I mean, that's just the way it is. And she's got a $500 personal bond. Have you tested this morning, ma'am?
Yes.
And do we get the results of that test? Can we get the results of that test? What are the results going to be? All right. Other than that, we'll just wait and see what the results of the test are. And then, did you get a call from the lawyer?
No, I had actually talked to a different lawyer yesterday after I had a conversation with you guys. So he told me that he would contact me today. And I know that today we were trying to see what was the issue as far as the public attorney.
Okay, you called a lawyer on your own?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, sir, this is Jamara calling for Judge Perkins. How you doing? There was a lady that came from the center for prison.
London.
Yes. Okay. You got bring them down, you got email them, how you got-
What you, can you tell me what the thing was?
He's looking at it now. Okay, you can just tell me, Joseph. 434. Okay, bye-bye. Judge, he said he'd be your show.
And I not forgot my key fob, you have still been sitting there because I forgot all about it.
I had just told him, I think you see.
You tell me what the results of too. I don't know what you achieved. All right, let's set another pre-trial date. Oh, yeah. Let's set another pre-trial date now. For, August the 1st. There's one there.
How you doing there, Judge?
You all right?
Yeah.
That's good to see you always.
Thank you.
Y'all abandoned me once no, I'm just messing with you. Oh, you been all right?
Yeah,
How's the wife doing?
yeah. She's good.
Tell her I said, all right.
Yeah, well, you know, we know you're busy and everything. you
No,
know, so-
I'm never too busy
Yeah.
for you. I'm never too busy for you. Don't ever think that.
Yeah.
All right,
he's
so-
about to
thanks
go
again,
What do we
Judge.
have
I'll
here?
take you later.
Let's see what we
Judge
have here.
Breeze.
Okay.
So I don't know if they want to, let me ask. them.
So what does that say?
Positive
You said
marijuana.
five.
Smoking weed.
You said, well, Judge, she's gonna go up there. She's gonna hear that.
Thank you.
All right,
He said
All right,
five
I'll
people,
see you.
all
right?
right, later.
Hold on, let me see. Judge, this is Melody. She said it's like 8 to 9 students that want to observe. Huh? Melody from.
Oh, great.
Yeah. They're live, right? They're in the building, Judge. Do you want them to come up to Judge Breeze courtroom? That's where you got to go, right?
They can do that.
Okay, so go up to Judge Breeze courtroom because he's on his way up there. Okay, all right, Judge. Okay, thanks.
Words getting out. I wanted to see.
Oh, they call him too.
That's what-
Judge Perkins courtroom.
All right,
Okay,
let's
this
go
one
back
here,
on
the
the
students
record with
coming
this
up here
summer
too.
luncheon. I got the results back for the test look at this there. And there's no evidence of alcohol, but there is positive for cannabis. I don't say anything. I didn't say anything. I'm just giving you the results. You want to say something? Go ahead.
No, you don't, no, you don't.
So that wasn't a part of my order. I don't know if Ms. Lumley has a card or what she does with that. And I'm not too much concerned about marijuana, but I do want Ms. Lumley to know that if you're caught driving under the influence of marijuana, can result in a drunk driving conviction as well. And I don't know why they haven't amended the language, or I guess they have. It's operating while impaired. It's not necessarily, we refer to it as drunk driving, but it's really operating while impaired. So with that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and give Ms. Lumley a date for her next pretrial. I'm gonna give her an opportunity to get in contact with her lawyer and see if she can either get the public defender to help her, or if she retains her own lawyer. So I think August the 1st is enough time. I would like their lawyer, once you get established with one, to zoom in before that to give us some kind of information on whether we need to change this date or something like that. So make sure they zoom in once you have made that relationship. Anything from you, Ms. Harris?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, so I think we're already established on absolutely no drinking during the pendency of this case. We want those tests every week. I don't know, they're going to be random. So that's going to be between you and the probation department. Don't come in here next time saying they didn't call me or they didn't do anything or this, because you're going to have to tell them that he told me to test once a week. And if there's some kind of mix up or confusion, I expect to hear from you personally. All right, that's how we're going to go about this. And then if we do it that way, then any other confusion that may be had, we can work something out. But by just coming in here on the date of on August the 1st, it's just not going to work next time. Okay.
I understand.
All right. So with that being said, Ms. Lumley, I'm sure you got to get ready to go to work. So we're going to let you go. I wish you the best of luck, and then we'll get this matter behind us at some point. And then we'll be able to put it behind.
Thank you.
All right, good to see you.
You too.
I have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On iPhone 356. Good morning to you. What's your name?
Good morning. I'm Breetice Lewis.
She want to get Ms. Harris's information.
Yeah. Oh, you got a good one right there.
Her?
Oh, yes.
Jerica Harris.
Pitbull. No, doesn't look like one, but
Yeah, sure. There it is.
don't go.
She wanted to phone number.
Go ahead.
Can I take it
Oh,
out?
that was harsh.
Ms. Harris?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Ms. Lumley wanted to see if she can get your number to call you.
It's 248-242-7747.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day. Did you write that down?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, sweet. All right, have a good day. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Patrice Ashley Lewis, case number U60127521. Well, this is the date and time set for a review. Ms. Lewis, can you put your name on the record, please?
Yes, Breetice Lewis.
All right, no pay, ma'am.
I was getting ready to pay it today. I'm ready to pay. I just didn't know that the review date was going to be today. I can pay it right now.
All right, pay it now. And we'll dismiss upon payment. What I'll do. What I'll do is I'll allow my staff to, you to zoom back in. Once you pay it, they'll look it up. If you pay it at the that kiosk, or if you come down to the court and pay it, then it should go through immediately, okay?
Can I pay it online and give you the confirmation number?
Online, no, it's not gonna do it, because online is not gonna go through immediately. I need to see it on this computer, so I would suggest that you upload that app to your phone if you want to sit at home and pay it, or that you said the pay by phone number, is that gonna go through immediately this time? I don't know that either. I know I got a pay by phone number, and I can give you that, but if the that app or the that kiosk or coming into the court are the three best ways I know how to do that. And once you make the payment, it'll go through immediately. And then we'll dismiss the case.
Okay, I'll come down there right now and pay it, and then just log back on the Zoom.
No, if you come down here now, you can come up to the courtroom if, and you can come up to the courtroom and you can, you can come up to the courtroom and you can show us the receipt, we'll dismiss it immediately, or you can call in or you can Zoom in. It doesn't matter which way you do it at that point.
Okay, so the kiosk, where's the kiosk? I'm confused. I'm sorry.
They have kiosks they have kiosks all over the city at Myers, at the CVS's is a white and blue kiosk. It says DIVDAT, DIVDAT.
Oh, like the kiosk that you renew your tabs at? Like one of those?
No, it should be sitting next to that though.
Okay.
If you see one of those kiosks, I'm pretty sure they have a DIVDAT kiosk next to it.
Okay.
They got the Secretary of State, the big yellow one that you renew your tabs or your license. They got the DIVDAT kiosk, and then they got the lotto machine, all in three, all in a row.
Okay, I'll just come down there and pay it.
All right.
Okay.
Have a great day, man.
You too. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Isaiah Demetrius Leggett. Case number.
Are you scheduled for 14?
SP 1212769, counts 1 and counts 2.
You can go
Appearance for the
online,
record, please.
go on 36 District.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Isaiah Leggett. I would ask that he would state his name, but I don't believe that he is present, Your Honor.
No, officer, you can put your appearance on the record, Officer Mitchell.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Put your appearance on the record, your department badge number and precinct.
I'm Police Officer Nari Mitchell, badge number 2125 with the Detroit Police Department, 5th Precinct.
All right. Very well. Go ahead, Ms. Harris. I'm not going to expect that you know where Mr. Leggett is. Given an opportunity to sign in. It's now 10 o'clock. I'm going to issue a. This is difficult one. Let me see.
I would ask for a show cause, Your Honor, because it appears there's one set for trial and one set for pretrial.
I'm going to see what.
You can go online. You can go online, type in your name, and then you will see in the cases.
I'm going to issue a show cause.
And then it'll show you that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Officer Mitchell, appreciate you, sir, and be safe out there. All right, that'll conclude it.
Appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, have a great day. All right. That will do it for us. You guys have a very good rest of the morning and good day.